How you doing? Welcome back to Chaunt Tech. Hope everything is good on this fine Monday of ours for it. And yes, if many of you have been noticing, I do have a mustache as of right now. This is my. I'm quarantined and. Well, this might be interesting to try out. So, I don't know what it is. If you like it, don't like it, leave a comment in the links below so I can have a little bit of some input. Speaking of input, it's almost noon on this Monday, and my children are often hungry around this time. Actually, one of my kids is pretty much always hungry. My 6-year-old daughter is pretty much constantly hungry, and the staple food that's been in our house for since they have been born, for the most part, has been salami. And salami has just been one of those, like, it's always in our house. They pretty much always want to eat salami as part of their lunches, on their sandwiches or and whatnot, and other things. But anyway, I thought, have I ever looked at a piece of salami up close and personal? No, I have not. And so I took a piece of salami out of the fridge. This salami has been sitting on my desk here for a short period of time, so I don't know if anything has accumulated on it before. I myself have actually never looked at this before. Vegetarians and vegans, if you are out there, this just happens to be what we eat. I respect everyone's opinion out there, but leave a comment below to let me know what your opinion is. It's absolutely fine. It's just what we eat. We usually eat. I just have been doing this for a while. Okay, I have a feeling I'm going to be grossed out. I mean, I'm looking at a piece of meat underneath a microscope. I mean, all right, so let's just plop. Let's just down. Ah! Look at that. That is, whew, I'm looking at that. I mean, it's down there for all you folks. It's that pinkish looking thing. That is horrifying. Wow. What is all of that? What is all of that? Oh my. Let's just turn up the brightness on this thing. What is you see that little black speck right there? Alright, so it moved. All right, so let me just nudge you over and let's have a closer look. This currently is at about a 6.7x magnification. Let's go in closer. I don't know. Oh, I didn't think it would look pretty. I didn't think it would look nice or anything like that. Oh, it's inside. What is that? What is its neighbor? It has a little friend next door to him. Look at that. There's you see the little guy? Do I have a pointer? Do I have something to point with? I'm not using my tweezers on this. I mean, I'm gonna probably toss this out after this, but I got a little. What is this thing? What is that? There's this guy, this guy, who are next door to each other. It looks like there may almost be that guy right there. Hard to tell. What is that? I mean, I don't even want to know in the comments what goes into salami. It can't be good. I mean, it can't be. I just don't want to know. Some things are better left in the unknown. That's at 40x magnification. Ew. Man, that is some thing, is what that is. You all see that? You all see that? Nobody should like this. In fact, everyone at this point should start disliking this video right about it. I'm just kidding. Like it because it's gross. Like it because it's gross. Don't dislike the video. I've heard that could be bad out there. That is. Ugh. That is one of my earlier commenters. In fact, probably my earliest comment to date wanted me to look at a booger up close, and this counts towards it. This is pretty bad, is what this is. That is exactly what this is. This is very, very blah. It is exactly what this is. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna take a peek around this thing. It's just, oh my gosh! It's all. What is that? Wait. Okay, so let me turn on the light down for a second. What is that? What is that down in the lower left? Down in the lower left. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Well, I'm not going to have a salami sandwich again for at least a while. I don't even know if I can recommend this at this point. What is that? Ah! That's exactly, that is gross. That's what that is. That is, how many synonyms? Kids out there, do we know what a synonym is? How many synonyms for yucky can you talk about here? What is that? I mean, that's got to be something that's like, it's right there on the surface. It had to have come from, oh gosh, I hope it just came from me just like plopping the thing down on my desk and whatnot. That had to be what that's from. But oh my gosh, this is terrifying. I don't know if I want to look at a food ever again. At least not from the meat section of the pyramid, you know? That's, oh my gosh. That's just, nope, not looking at this anymore. Nope. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the screen went blank. Oh, that's too bad. Well, that was horrible. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this experience here and whatnot. So thank you very much for joining us on our adventure, and we'll see you on the next video. I hope. Please come back. Hopefully I didn't terrify too many people out there. All right, bye.